This video is sponsored by the Scrapping Cottage, where cottage cuts are always blooming. Hi everybody, it's Janet with Sugar Shine Designs here for Cottage Cuts today, and I'd like to show you my Fresh Spring Floral Grateful card. Now this is made using the Fresh Spring Floral die, which is really pretty and in the spring collection. Now the flowers are pretty because they have two layers, one on top of the other, but the rest is very simple, and I just cut this out in white and use my Spectrum Noir markers to color it all in, including these little blossoms. The Grateful is a Expressions Plus die, and I put this flower here because I had a little goof, and you'll see that in the video. And I have another Expressions die inside. Now I want to take a second to talk about this white frame. It's created using a clear embossing pen and some white embossing powder. And you'll see in the video how I space this 1/2 inch from each side and 1/8 inch from each end, so it creates this nice frame for the floral wreath. I'm going to speed things up now so you can see how I made this card. Well, that's my project for you today. I hope you enjoyed it and I gave you some inspiration. If you did, give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. And check me out over at Sugarshine Designs too. The link is in the video description. I'll see you soon. Have a great day.